Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this eye look using the Through My Eyes palette by iluvsarahii, and it's her collaboration with Colourpop. I freaking love this palette. I loved her Dose of Colors collab. I love this collab. I think that she just does really well with making a cohesive palette. Even her little 6-pan one from Dose of Colors, I travel with that one all the time. I love it. I feel like the lip products in this collection as well were just, they match the palette so well, and they're just really wearable colors. But even a lip like this may be a bold lip for some people, and I feel like it's a very wearable bold lip, so if you're wanting to step outside your comfort zone, it's a great color to do so. Overall, I think this collection was something that I couldn't pass up. It's definitely a must in my everyday makeup routine now. Like, I will wear this probably every single day. For $39, I got the palette and the 3 lip products, and I think that's such a good deal, and it's definitely a price point in which I think most people can afford, and I definitely think it's worth every single penny. This palette is heavy, it's got a mirror, like, it's very good quality, so you're definitely getting what you pay for. But yes, so I don't keep rambling on anymore. You guys can obviously tell I love this collection, and if you want to see how to get this eye look and this lip combo, just keep on watching. Okay, I'm just going to start by priming my eyes, and for that I'm going to use the MAC Studio Fix 24-Hour Concealer. This is in the shade NW15. This is my favorite concealer for priming the eyes. It just doesn't crease, it's so good. And I'm just going to blend that out with a damp sponge. I'm just going to start by going into the shade Wild Soul, which is this kind of mustard yellow color, and I'm using a Morphe M441 blending brush to put that in my crease. I'm going completely from outer to inner corner just because I'm going to be putting like one color all over the lid. Alright, now that that is placed and blended out, these shadows blend so quick and so easy, so you don't have to put a lot of work into it. Now I'm going to dip into the shade Divina, which is this kind of like plum shade, and I'm taking that on a Sigma E45 blending brush, and I'm just placing that color right below the Wild Soul shade, and this is going to just add our depth. And again, I am going from outer to inner corner with this shade as well, just focusing the shade more directly into the socket line, whereas the Wild Soul shade is more diffused towards the brow bone. Now, since there is such a difference between like depth with these colors, like this Divina shade is much darker than Wild Soul, I'm just going to make sure that I definitely go back and forth between the colors quite frequently, just to make sure that the blend is nice and diffused. So I'm going to go back in with Wild Soul, start working that through the crease again. And you can see that's just going to start diffusing it again. And I'm actually going to switch to a Morphe M514. It's just going to give us a better blend because it's a little bit fluffier. The Sigma brush is just a little too pointy, so it's not giving us as much of the blend that I'm looking for. Okay, yeah, that's working a lot better. If you ever have trouble with blending, make sure you're just using the right brush because that'll really get you. You can already see that's creating much better diffusion than the Sigma brush. And then I'm just going back in with Wild Thoughts, or sorry, Wild Soul, not the Rihanna song. I'm just diffusing Divina. Okay, now that we've got that done, kind of looks like a bruise, but I love this color combo. And so for the lid, I'm going to be taking the shade Flex, which is this one here. It is just a beautiful, like, gunmetal silvery color, and it creates a really cool color combo. So I'm just going to put this all over the lid, and I'm going to use my finger because I feel it just applies best with this method. And I'm even going to feather it up towards the crease because I want to make sure there's a nice blend. And I'm just going to go back in that Morphe brush and the one that had that Divina shade. I'm just blending through the crease so that way Divina and Flex kind of marry together and create a nice blend between the matte and the shimmer shade. Okay, so now that we have most of this eye look done, because like I said, this is such a simple eye look, I'm going to do the rest of my face and I'll be back to finish the the lower lash line in the inner corner. Okay, on my lower lash line, I'm going to start with Wild Soul, which was that mustard color, and I'm just going to smoke it out underneath. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Divina, which was that plum shade, and put that closer to my lash line. And then in the inner corner, I'm going to take Lucido, which is this bright champagne color, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. It's kind of like got a hint of gold in there. It's really pretty. I may actually add some eyeliner. Just gonna add a bright, this is the NYX Lavender Blush Faux Whites liner. Okay, I added bottom lash mascara because I almost forgot, but that is the finished eye look. One of my favorite eye looks that I've created as of right now. Like, it's so simple, but I just find it so glamorous and so pretty. I'm obsessed with shimmery eyeshadow just all over the lid right now. It's a thing. For my face, just so you guys know, I used Laguna Bronzer, Warm Soul Blush, and Colourpop's Thimble Highlighter. So that is what is on my face. But for lips, I've worn like the nude color, but I think I want to try this kind of burnt orange color. Okay, so I really like this color, and it's not actually like a burnt orange. It's kind of like a pinky orange. It's really pretty. And then just because I can't help myself, I'm going to put a little bit of glass lip right in the center. Okay guys, this is the finished look. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.